Okay, so I'm going to go over some of the problems in part 3 here. The rest have solution videos which you can watch on your own. So first, it says, what is the inverse operation of addition? So if you open up this slide, it's going to take you to what we've been doing that talks about inverse operations. And inverse operations are just operations that undo each other. And addition and subtraction are inverse operations. So what is the opposite of addition? It's subtraction. And what is the inverse operation of division? It would be multiplication. And then the same type of question, it says, what is the opposite of subtracting 5? Well, we know that addition and subtraction are opposites, so it would just be adding 5. And then what is the opposite of multiplying by 5? Well, it would be dividing by 5. So adding 5 and then dividing by 5. And then for these ones, you're going to go ahead and solve these one-step equations. So 6 plus e equals 8. And you don't have to show your work, but I'm going to. So first of all, we want to get e by itself. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. So you'd just be left with e on this side because those would 6 and negative 6 would cancel. And then 8 minus 6 is 2. And you could check it by plugging it back in. 6 plus 2 does equal 8. Same thing on this side. You can do that problem on your own. X minus 3 equals 11. So we're trying to solve for x. X minus 3 equals 11. So for subtracting 3, the opposite would be to add 3 to both sides. You'd be left with x and then equals 11 plus 3, which is 14. I'll let you try these two on your own. And then there are solution videos for all of these problems here. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish up with the fraction ones. So for these fraction ones, if you're adding 1/4, the opposite would be to subtract 1/4 from both sides. And then when you do that, you're left with x equals, and it's just 3/4 minus 1/4. Remember, subtracting fractions with the same denominator, you subtract the top, which equals 2, and leave it over the bottom, and you don't subtract the bottom. So same thing for this one, you're going to add 1/5 to both sides and solve as well. And then these ones here have solution videos that you can go ahead and watch and try and solve. And then I will make another video with the challenge problems and their solutions and how to do them.